So there's a quote from Ken Schwaber, which Agile is not about rituals, it's about developing software in a different way. And I would broaden it out first and say Agile is not about rituals, it's about developing products in a different way. It's broadening that out in organizations. The goal is not agility. The goal is not the rituals, right? They're part of the system, but they're not the thing you're trying to achieve. Most organizations seem to measure success in adopting Agile as, is everybody doing a daily Scrum? Does everybody have a sprint review? And those things, those measures, the behavioral outcome from those measures is that you end up with zombie Scrum or mechanical Scrum, right? Or mechanical processes. People are following the processes because they're told to follow the processes, not because they believe that they are the right processes to follow in order to get the outcomes that the business needs. And that's where the failure is. Why are people just following the rules? Why don't they believe in the rules? Because if they believe in the rules, they'll perhaps make better decisions, right? If they believe that this is the way we need to do things, they'll figure out better and more effective ways to do things. And this is actually why it's really hard when you purchase large scale sweeping software systems that take care of, like, it's like, say your entire procurement pipeline is now fully automated, but now you're stuck in that automation. You're stuck in the rituals that automation has created. And that's the difference between how we've implemented the Toyota way in the West and how Toyota implemented it. Toyota didn't have a fully automated production line. They had lots of pieces of automation for the work that people do, but they had people checks at the end of every one of those pieces of automation, because you're building big, complex products. It's a big, complex system, and computers are not actually that great at managing big, complex systems because they only manage what we think of for them to manage, right? We have to think of it in order for it to be managed. So you end up with stuff built on top as you figure out different edge cases and different scenarios. And it's the same with our policies and procedures in organizations, right? It builds up this organizational or software cruft that is all the rules around which it runs. And that's the same as trying to deploy or install Agile in your organization. It's not about the rituals. It's about doing things in different ways. Right? You want to build software in different ways. You want to build products in different ways. You want to do business in different ways that maximize the return on investment. That's what Agile is all about, doing things in different ways. If you want to have a discussion about your unique needs or situation, then please book a call or visit us at nakedagility.com. We also have our immersive and traditional public classes on our website, and we'd love to hear from you.